Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the calculator tool. The calculator icon is for the calculator. When you click on it, a calculator comes up. This is the standard calculator. When you do a math problem, you can see in this side over here what calculations you're doing so that you don't miss any steps. When you hit the equals button, the problem will be read to you.
81 divided by 9 equals 9.
You can choose how the calculator looks. If you click on View, you can change the size, the background color, the foreground color. You can also change the colors of the number buttons and the operator buttons. You can change the font, and then if you want to reset it, you just click Reset Defaults. You can also change the speech settings. Just click on Speech, and if you select Speak on Mouse Over, then it will read whatever button you hover the cursor over.
8, 9, 6, 9.
You can also choose to speak on a click.
8, 2, 6.
You can also choose to just have it sound like a button click. Or you can choose no sound at all. The confirm on equals is what causes it to read to you when you hit the equal button, so you can deselect that and turn it off if you'd like. You can also select a scientific calculator. As you can see, it's bigger and has a few more buttons. You can also adjust the view on it as well. And also the speech settings. You can also solve problems in a Word document. Simply highlight the problem with no equal sign, and then using the arrow next to the icon, select from the drop-down menu, Evaluate in Document. This will insert the solution into the document for you. You can also use it to do quick conversion calculations. By using the drop-down at the arrow, select Convert, and you can convert length, mass, velocity, time, temperature, and volume. Let's do miles to meters. We'll highlight our number again, use the drop-down menu to go to Convert, length, miles to meters. This will convert it to our new units. This is a great tool for doing math homework, studying, or working on lab reports. Try it out.